Moxa does cause smoke and smell. It is a good idea to have an extractor fan fitted in the room where one intends to do moxa therapy. It will clear the smoke instantly. Nothing will clear the smell though. One can open the windows to air the room between patients. For those who dislike the smoke and smell of burning moxa, there is also a smokeless moxa. Note, moxa is contraindicated in conditions with heat or fever. So yan po yung illustration ng moxa cigar. Okay? With different techniques of application. Like a long cigar, moxa cigar can be lit and used to warm points, lines, or areas. Easy to use and more acceptable to the patients than moxa left on the skin. It is used for the following treatment. First, we have moxa, a point with sparrow pecking method. This name comes from the maneuver. Go close to the point with moxa cigar and pull back after 2 or 3 seconds, repeating it until the heat gets uncomfortable for the patients. One important thing to remember when performing moxibustion with a cigar is never to hold the moxa cigar on a point without moving. Always move the cigar, either pecking or moving around in circles or drawing lines so that the skin does not get too hot and cause a blister, but rather the heat penetrates deeper. The sparrow pecking method is used on point spleen 1 for slow bleeding symptoms and on UB67 to turn a malpositioned fetus in late pregnancy. Moxa on area or line with warming method. Light a moxa cigar, always trim it flat before reusing. If this is not done, it will have a conical shape which might fall off while burning. And fill an area or an imaginary line, imaginary circle with strokes. You should do this until the worm moves deep into the organ. So we have here an illustration ng REN12. The gray dot in the figure is point REN12. The area around should be warmed with moxa. While we have at the end of the treatment is a larger warm area around the acupuncture point. And the heat travels deep into this area. The warming method is used on point REN12 in patients with overeating disorder or alcohol addiction, and on point REN3 in dysmenorrhea and infertility. It is used to warm the hands on pericardium 8 and on the feet on kidney 1.